Let's take a look at this permutation, which is written in non-disjoint cycle notation. So these are cycles right here. So this cycle means 3 maps to 2, 2 maps to 4, and 4 wraps around maps to 3. So you first run this cycle as a function, leaving anything it doesn't refer to as fixed, like 1 would go to 1, for instance. And then you do this function, then you run this one, then you run that one, then you run that one, reading composition like right to left. Okay, so this represents a permutation on 5 things right here. And it's written in non-disjoint cycle notation. That means because, look, we have a 4 here, and then we have a 4 here. So this says something about 4, and this one says something about 4, so they're not disjoint. How do we rewrite this in disjoint cycle notation? Okay, let's go through that and see what we need to do. We start off with just thinking where everything goes. Where does 1 go? So we put 1 into this as a function. What does this do to 1? It does nothing. So you send it into here. This does nothing, so 1 is still being sent to itself. Then here, oh, this changes it. 1 goes to 2. So then we put the output of that, 2, we put into this function. What does this function do? It sends 2 to 3. Oh, so we started with 1 inside, and it ended up taking us to 3. So we would write down a cycle, 1 to 3. Next, we put 3 in. Okay, and see where that goes. So 3 comes in. This first guy sends it to 2. Then you put 2, this fixes 2, all right. Then here, oh, this changes it, 2 goes to 3. Okay, so we're at 3, going to this one, this sends 3 to 4. So ultimately, 3 was sent to 4 in the end. Okay, next we put 4 in here. So 4 comes in and it's sent to 3 here. This keeps 3 fixed. Oh, this sends 3 back to 1. And 1, oh, okay, so it looks like it's coming back. 4 goes back to 1. So we have a complete cycle of assignments. And then we pick something that's not in this. Okay, so 2. So where's 2 going to go? Okay, so 2 comes in, 2 goes to 4. Next one goes to 5. Fixes it. Fixes it. Okay, so 2 is going to 5. And notice we know where 1's going, 3's going, 4, and we know where 4's going. We know where 2's going. So really, 4 of the possible images are taken up. There's only 1 left, so 5. Let's see. And so and the only thing 5 can go to should be 2. But so this should close the cycle. But we could test that and see, does 5 really go to 2? So we put 5 in here. Fixes 5. Next one, 5 is sent to 4. Okay, this fixes 4. Then we come in here and 4 is sent to 2. Oh, yes, it ultimately goes to 2. So this permutation right here is in simplified form. This is called disjoint cycle notation. Notice this, no numbers here in this cycle are the same as numbers here. And we have rewritten this in this simplified disjoint cycle notation form. Thanks for watching.